All right, time to take a look at the Riland Welder. That is awesome. I am continuously amazed with how tiny they can make welders these days. So we got on-off switch on the back, we got active cooling, positive and negative, and then the amp control. And this is a standard plug, so this will plug directly into a regular house outlet, so if you want to weld in your garage, you can do that. We've got our grounding clamp, and that is just a twist lock style of connector. So we'll just line up that notch on the top and then give it a twist. And here's our electrode holder. I can't see in there, we do have kind of a star pattern so we can hold that electrode at different angles. Nice strong spring on here too. Same style connector. Just plug that in and give it a twist. We also got a user manual, and it's got a little chipping hammer with a wire brush on it. So pretty cool. So let's take this thing to the shop and see how well it works. So I'm going to start out with 50 amps and we'll see what that gets. The 50 amps was a little light, and we're going to take it up to 60. All right, we're starting to get there. I'm going to take it up a little more. Definitely got some heat. So you can see up here, I started at 50. I didn't really like that. This right here is about 60. And when I brought it up to 70, this is what I got. So overall, I think it weld. Look, I got stuff on the back there already, so it's harder to see the penetration, but you can still see that it scorched the back. So if you need to put metal together, this little guy can do it. That is an awesome little welder. And with that small size, if you need to carry that thing around or up a ladder, there's not going to be a better welder than that.